Good morning. November's golden light and crisp frost are beautiful, but they signal the real cold is coming, and our garden work isn't done yet. Now's the time to prep smart, protect crops, care for tools, and nurture the soil for next year. This isn't shutting down the garden. It's a thoughtful transition from autumn's abundance to winter's resilience. Let's walk through the essential tasks to keep your garden thriving through the cold. We'll cover protecting late crops, what to plant now, and how to care for your tools and soil. Let's get started. Let's talk about protecting your late-season greens from frost. You don't need fancy gear. A plastic jug from your recycling bin works wonders. Cut the bottom off a clean jug, remove the cap, and you've got a DIY cloche, a mini greenhouse. Place it over your plant, pressing it into the soil for a snug fit. The cloche traps warmth during the day and shields against cold at night, making a real difference for your crops. Remove the cap for ventilation. Otherwise, a sunny day could overheat your plant. If it's windy, anchor the jug with a stick or cane through the handle. A row of these cloches glinting in the winter sun is a satisfying sight. Simple, sustainable, and effective. With a little ingenuity, you can extend your harvest well into winter. Protecting a plant now means a fresh meal later, even when the garden seems asleep. It's practical, resourceful gardening at its best. Try it. Your greens will thank you. While protecting tender crops, think about what you can plant now for winter. Some vegetables thrive in the cold. Rutabagas and mâche are two favorites. Rutabagas, or swedes, are hardy roots that sweeten with frost and can be harvested all winter. Sow seeds 1/2 inch deep in loose soil, thin seedlings to give roots space, and mulch to insulate. Mâche, or corn salad, is a delicate green that loves the cold. Broadcast mâche seeds over raked soil, cover lightly and water gently. Both crops benefit from protection. Use a cloche or plastic cover to shield from excess rain. With minimal effort, you'll enjoy fresh roots and greens even in January. Winter gardening is about resilience and reward. Plant now and your garden keeps giving through the coldest months. Cleaning and storing your tools is a satisfying end-of-season ritual, and it keeps them ready for spring. Gather your hand tools, trowels, forks, secateurs, shears. Scrub off all soil with a stiff brush. Moisture leads to rust. For blades, use wire wool to remove stubborn rust and sap. Disinfect cutting tools with rubbing alcohol or household disinfectant to prevent spreading disease. Sharpen blades with a stone, following the original angle. Sharp tools make clean, healthy cuts. Wipe all metal parts with a light oil to prevent rust. Oil moving parts of secateurs and shears for smooth operation. Store tools somewhere dry and off the ground. Hang them up or use a dry box. Clean, disinfect, sharpen, oil, and store. These steps protect your investment and make spring gardening a joy. Take care of your tools and they'll take care of your garden. Don't leave your garden beds bare over winter. Cover them to protect and enrich the soil. Bare soil loses nutrients and structure to rain and frost. Sow a cover crop, like winter rye, clover or field beans, to act as a living mulch. These plants shield the soil, prevent erosion, and improve structure with their roots. Legumes like clover even fix nitrogen, enriching your soil naturally. Clear old crops, rake the bed, and broadcast cover crop seeds for a dense protective mat. Lightly rake again to settle seeds, and water if the soil is dry. The green cover grows through winter, keeping the soil alive and healthy. In late winter, cut down the cover crop and leave the cuttings as mulch or dig them in. This chop and drop method returns nutrients and organic matter to the soil. A covered bed is protected, enriched, and ready for spring planting. It's a simple, natural way to work with the seasons. If you miss gardening in winter, try building a winter seed box, a mini indoor greenhouse for cold hardy crops. Use a wooden frame or sturdy box with a clear lid to let in light. Place it in the brightest spot you have: a cold frame, sunny windowsill, or unheated conservatory. Fill with seed starting mix, moisten, and sow cold-tolerant greens like winter lettuce, spinach, or Asian greens. Cover seeds lightly and keep the compost just damp. Water sparingly. Humidity stays high inside, but don't let it dry out. Ventilate on mild days to prevent rot and strengthen seedlings. Harvest leaves as needed using the cut and come again method. Fresh greens in winter are a real treat, a small act of defiance against the cold. Your winter seed box keeps the gardening spirit alive until spring returns. With tools cleaned, soil covered, and crops protected, the garden is ready for winter. There's satisfaction in this pause, a quiet promise to the land and the seasons. Beneath the surface, life rests and gathers strength for spring. Winter is a time for reflection, planning, and appreciating the garden's quiet beauty. Growth continues, even if unseen. Enjoy the peace of your winter garden. You've earned it. Good gardening.